everyone. So this is my first long form YouTube video. This is going to be a room tour video of my hostel room, my girls hostel room at IIT Roorkee. So first I will start with introducing myself. Hello everyone. So I am Rakhi. I am a pre-final year BTech student at IIT Roorkee and I live in Himalaya Bhavan. So in IIT Roorkee, in first year we get double occupancy room in Sarojini Bhavan, and in second year we get again double occupancy room in Kasturba Bhavan, and third year onwards single occupancy rooms in Himalaya Bhavan. So as I am in pre-final year, so I also got single occupancy room. I will start with the room tours. So let's start. If anyone is joining IIT Roorkee, so you can comment down any doubts regarding hostels or anything if you have. I will try to answer all of them. So let's begin the room tour. So starting with the entrance, this is the main door of my room, and this is the main door, and on the left side we have two switches, one for the fan and one for the lamp that we have this side. This side we have this beautiful lamp and this whole empty wall, and I have pasted two hooks here and one above it, and there I have a room freshener which has a jasmine smell, and I love the smell of jasmine. So, and this we can also lit up this lamp, and I have also installed a bulb which has 3 light settings. So I will show you how this lamp looks when we lit it up. So these were the 3 settings. Now coming to the right side of the room, so this is also a empty corner, empty wall, and here I have a huge mirror which I installed all by myself. So here is the mirror. I love getting ready and doing makeup and all, so we can also take so many full selfies and all in this mirror. And here I have this small table or dressing. I got this from Amazon at something 1,000 rupees and all, and I keep my skincare stuff here. As you can see, I have all my skincare and daily makeup here, and below which I have some makeup removing items, tissues, cotton pads and all. And below that level I have some cleaning stuffs like this dust thrower and all. And I forget to show you this, and this is a decorative piece, I can say, and I bought this from Meesho, and this has this crochet hanging, and inside I installed this pink planter, and this really looks so good. And here I have a dustbin. Now coming to this side of my room, here I have this huge almirah inside which I keep all my stuff whichever I require. So my almirah is not that much organized at this time, but I can show you that how much space I have inside it. So let me show you. So here we have 4 shelves, and I have kept my shoes and some cleaning items on the lowest shelf. Then I have some makeup and daily accessories and all. Then I have some miscellaneous items. Now coming back to this wall. Now last year I didn't decorated this wall that much, but this year I hang these 2 paintings here, and this is really looking so good, I think. Now this, as my birthday comes in August, so I have pasted this August wala painting here, and this is the general painting. Now I have also installed these fairy lights here till this goes like this, and here I have my nahane ka balti. Now this side we have a bookshelf, and this is really pretty much of good size, and I have kept my some daily body lotions, perfumes and all here. Here भगवान जी का मूर्ति, और here I have my chashma and daily supplements. This side I have some books and copies and some other miscellaneous items that side. Now here comes the main part, the study table. So we got this study table from the hostel authorities only, and on the study table we have these switches. I have all the switches on this wall only, so I need to keep this table here only so that I can make use of all of them. So on we have this whiteboard sort of thing, and one side we have this plain board on which we can pin anything we want to pin. This table is of really good, very good size, and here I keep all of my items. These are some registers, and below we have all, and below which we also have some storage. Now I have kept this cute Pusa mirror, these pen boxes, and this tissue holder, and these bottles. So so whenever I stay at my room only, so I study on it only. And it is really very good to study on my table. So now I will show the storage stuff that I have below the table. So here is a drawer in which I have kept some miscellaneous stuffs like these phone covers, combs, clutchers and all, and below which we also have this storage in which I have kept some utensils and all. We also got this chair from the hostel authority as well, and this is really very, very comfortable. Now on this side we have this huge window, and I have installed these curtains all by myself so that my room can look more pink, as pink is my favorite color. So behind this we have this huge window, and मैंने कुछ shampoo and all रख रखा है वहाँ पे. Now coming to this side we have this huge gate. We have this gate again. So outside this gate I have a huge balcony which I will show you at the end. So please continue watching. So now coming to this wall, this is one of my favorite walls. So here I hang these 4 paintings here. In the starting I don't have any idea that what to do with this wall, and people were doing like pasting posters and all on this wall, but I don't want to do that as the wall got really torn off. So I hang these paintings on this wall, and I think this is really looking good. These paintings also show some of my personalities, like this lip gloss. I love applying lip gloss, and I love listening to Taylor Swift songs. So yeah, below which we have 2 switches. One is for the light of balcony and one for this tube light. So now comes the main part, the bed. This is the bed. Let me show you from here. So this is the bed that we got from the hostel authorities only, and this bed is a storage bed inside which I have stored some of my winter clothes, some not so many winter clothes and trolleys and all. So this is the bed. The mattress and the pillow is mine only, and here are my children. Here are my 3 children. So this is the bride, this is the groom, and this is their pet. As I say, I got these from Miniso only, and they really look so cute in my room. Now here I have a cooler which my mom got for me, and ये यहीं पड़ा रहता है हमेशा, क्योंकि मैं इसे चलाती नहीं हूँ क्योंकि उसके लिए पानी भरना पड़ता है, and I am too lazy to fill water in it. Here I have a laundry basket for all the used clothes that I have. Now here on this door also I have this crochet hanging. So this is the balcony of my room, and here is the window. Now I keep all my mops, wiper and all here. यहाँ कपड़े भी सुखा सकते हैं, और यहाँ से व्यू कुछ ऐसा आता है. So there is this is a newly built clock tower here in IIT Roorkee itself, and this is the back gate of our hostel. So हम बंद कर देते हैं ना, वरना छिपकली आ जाती है, and I am too scared of lizards. So this was my whole room. Now I will also add some clips of the whole look. Also, I forgot to show you that how this room looks when the fairy lights are turned on. So let me on these fairy lights and show you. So it looks something like this, and I think my room looks really very aesthetic when I turn on all these lights. So okay, now let me show you how this room looks from the back camera. So okay guys, this is it for my room tour video. I will try to make more such vlogs in future. So please like, share and subscribe, and please share this video if you like it. You can comment down how was this video. So तब तक के लिए bye. Okay, bye.